This is a 2019 V90 Cross Country, voted the 2019 Best Luxury Vehicle. This V90 Cross Country is not only luxurious, but spacious and comfortable. The packages that are included in this vehicle are the Premium Package and the Protection Package. The center screen is where you can access features such as AM/FM and satellite radio, Bluetooth, navigation, and other car features and settings. The Premium Package includes features such as 4-zone climate control, heated washer nozzles, 360-degree camera, auto-dimming exterior mirrors, Homelink integration, blind spot information system with cross-traffic alert, heated rear seats, heated steering wheel, park pilot assist, and interior high-level illumination. With a certified pre-owned warranty until January 2025 or 160,000 kilometers, whichever comes first, you can drive with confidence that your Volvo will keep you safe. For more information, contact Van Hert Volvo at vanhertvolvo.com or call us to book an appointment at 613-542-2284.